guys, so this is the first outfit. We're going to start with date night ideas, and yeah, so for other clothes the links are in the description below to each and every item. So this is the full outfit. I love it. Long sleeved, it's giving hot leader's wife. I love the sleeves, so I think you can wear them off or on, and it comes with this rope on, and yeah. uh, so yeah, I like how it's shaping my body. Yeah, and I got the shoes from Shein as well. The description, I mean the link to the shoes is in the description below. So let's go to the second outfit. So you guys, this is the second outfit for date night, and yes, I'm wearing the same shoes. What about it? Get into it. So this is a Shein haul, not a Shein style haul. But yeah, I love this outfit actually. You see how it's shaping me? Like, do you guys see that? Because I know you guys see that. And yeah, this is the dress, and you don't have to wear a bra with this dress. I'm wearing a bra because I had to wear a bra in another dress, but without a bra it holds your chest nicely. Yes guys, this is for the people who did not see a vision with this dress without the shoes. So these are the only heels I have here, and yeah, this is how it looks with the heels. And yeah, so yeah, let's go to the next outfit. So you guys, this is the third outfit. I love it so much, and I've had this pink press for months. I finally have something to pair it with, you guys, and I love the outfit. I think I should wear this outfit for my birthday. I don't know yet. It goes well with the heels, and this is not for girl friendly. This was sweeping the ground for me, and I'm 5'6", 168 centimeters. I had to wear heels for you guys so that it doesn't sweep the ground as much, but it actually does. And the link is in the description below. So this is the last date night. This is the last date night outfit idea. So yeah, I think we can now move to brunch. Hi you guys. So I don't like this dress, and it did not come out like how I wanted. It was supposed to have like cotton. I don't know how to explain the material, but cotton, woolly cotton. Yeah, woolly cotton. It came elastic. I think I'll scam down this dress. I didn't even shape my body like how it's supposed to shape, and I got my right size, but it's not doing what it's supposed to do. I don't like this dress. I got this jacket to pair to this dress, but here we are now, guys. So this is just like our commercial break outfits. So we can now tap into the brunch outfits. Can we get a little commotion for the dress? Can we get a little commotion for the dress? So guys, this is the outfit. It's good. It's what's that song? Love. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So you guys, this is the outfit. I love it so much. It's giving brunch. Let's go have some bacon, crumpets, and tea. Yeah, that's what it's giving. Yes, I think this is one of my favorite brunch outfit ideas. Red. Oh, fun fact, this is my first red outfit. Like, first red outfit. And I wonder how I'm going to look behind the camera. I'm so excited to see how it's looking at my skin tone. But yeah, I love it. If I love it, you love it. Do we love? I love. I used to look at this outfit every day, every single day. I tell myself one day I will own this outfit. One day. Oh my god, there are people behind. I'm so shy. Did you guys see them? Are they gone? Let me look. Okay, they're going. Anyway, I told myself one day I was going to own this outfit, and I actually do. I love it so much. Like, do we see this? It's giving Mary and Joseph. Love it. This detail. Hello, hello. Like, so this is a nice brunch dress idea. IKEA. So yeah, this is how it's looking like. And there are still people watching me, and that's okay. I love the long sleeves. I like the hood, and I need to deal with this. This can't be happening. Absolutely not. I don't know how. But, yeah. Let's go to the next outfit. So do we love? I love this outfit so much. Everything from head to toe, the shoes match the off-shoulder top. Yeah, just make sure you put on sunscreen before you wear this top. I put on sunscreen, and yeah, I like it. Is it 360? So this is a brunch idea. Am I doing you guys justice? I made the perfect cut, you guys. I created the perfect cut. Like, are we seeing the material? So yeah. So we're remaining with one more outfit. So let's see what it is. I love this outfit so much. Pink. Here they do this ribbon. Link to this ribbon. The ribbons have been link to the white and pink ribbon. Link to this jumpsuit is in the description. So this is a 360 of the outfit. If you're wondering if it has pockets, no pockets, guys. No pockets. But yeah, I love everything about it. Just make sure you put on your sunscreen before you wear this outfit. Yeah, I also got some black leggings for the winter. So they're called winter leggings. So they're black. So these are called winter leggings because they have this thick material inside. You wear them in the winter. And yeah, guys, happy new year. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. The background is the Table Mountain. Yeah, have a happy new year, you guys. Don't let your happiness depend on anyone else. Find peace within yourself. Love yourself, and don't care what people say. Don't care what people say bother you. Like, you know yourself, you know your true self. That's why it's important to love yourself. Don't let anyone compromise with your morals and your standards. That's who you are. With your good character, make sure you have good character. And for those who missed it, the Table Mountain is in the background. So yeah, and in 2025, have a relationship with Jesus Christ. Always read the Bible. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. There's someone else coming. Anyway, Mary had a little lamb. Don't let anyone compromise with your morals and your standard. Don't let anyone compromise with your morals and your standard. Don't let anyone compromise with your morals and your standard. And the description is in the link below. So sorry. And what? I would definitely wear this dress to the market. It's giving let's go to the market and buy ice cream. Ah, hold on. It's giving let's go to the market and buy fizzy. I'm giving a fizzy. And I will see you. And in 2025, I will be consistent. Don't oh my god, I feel like I wasn't meant to express myself in this outfit because everyone is just now looking at me and I'll look at them back.